Do you already know Lukas Pro? The smart dehumidifier and air purifier with professional power. He ensures an optimal indoor climate in rooms up to 175 square meters. Let's go! Hello, I'm Joanna and work at Stadler firm. Today I'm presenting Lukas Pro and explaining his functions. Lukas Pro makes your life easier with his practical functions. Thanks to the Wi-Fi connection, you can control him conveniently from anywhere per app or directly on the device using the touch panel. Lukas Pro is your reliable companion in the fight against humid and polluted air. With a dehumidification capacity of up to 50 liters per day, Lukas Pro is ideal for large rooms. You can decide whether you want to purify the air or dehumidify it at the same time. With his extremely high dehumidification capacity, long-lasting components and various features, Lukas Pro offers professional superpower. The Pro series from Stadler firm stands for very powerful, durable and innovative household appliances with a stylish design. Every Pro series device comes with a 5-year extended warranty. Lukas Pro has various modes. Now let's take a closer look at them. Dry mode is activated by default as soon as the appliance is put into operation. So you can start with efficient dehumidification straight away. Would you like to customize the dehumidification? No problem. Lukas Pro offers 4 power settings. From quiet dehumidification to maximum power on setting 4. The hygrostat allows you to select the desired humidity level from 30 to 80%. Once the desired humidity is reached, the device switches off. The laundry drying mode dries clothes quickly and efficiently. Thanks to the swing function, highest dehumidification level and hygrostat in continuous operation. Do you just want to purify your air? Then select air purification mode. The air is purified regardless of the humidity. In this mode, thanks to the HEPA filter, the air is purified without the dehumidification function. The air quality is measured by the particle sensor and displayed on the LED display on the front of the housing. The white LED indicates good air quality, the yellow LED indicates medium air quality, and the red LED indicates poor air quality. The power level, swing function, timer and night mode can also be activated or adjusted in this mode. The HEPA filter filters out over 99.99% of germs in the air. Lukas Pro therefore also impresses as an air purifier and ensures a hygienic room air. Depending on the air quality, the filter must be replaced approximately every 12 months. Lukas Pro offers also convenience when it comes to safety. The child lock locks all buttons. It is activated with a 3-second press of the timer button or in the app, using the child lock slider. And if the brightness bothers you, simply select night mode. Thanks to the timer and 24-hour timer in the app, you can automatically control when your device switches on and off. And when the water tank is full, no need to worry. Lukas Pro switches off automatically and is easy to empty. Flexibility is a top priority with Lukas Pro. Thanks to the side carrying handles and transport wheels, you can easily move and stow him away. Now you know all the features of Lukas Pro. Dry, laundry, dehumidify and clean the air. Lukas Pro is a real all-rounder. Ready to try him out for yourself? Then get started. Do you have any questions? Write them in the comments.